Okay, Blade Psycho here, and this is a VR for Swissarmy Zippo's, I guess 1,000 subscriber or something contest, and his question is, what EDC knife under $30 do you recommend, or is your favorite? Mine is the Sogzilla, partial serrated. I don't leave home without this. Every now and then, whenever I get out of the house. Reason why I like it is because, of course, ergonomic, great jimping, got your serration and your plain blade, and it's a lockback, deep pocket, and the G10 is very, let's see, how do you say, comfortable? Or even when it's wet, you still get a good traction on it. I demonstrate, but I don't feel like it. But I guess that's my VR response. Alright? Check them out, guys. Blade Psycho out.